Oh, was I on mute all this time? This is funny. So yeah, I hope technical issues all around us. Yeah, now I can see. So basically, all this time I was speaking about ChatGPT created by OpenAI, which is free. There's a paid version. So right now it's basically kind of machine learning. Not kind of, it is machine learning. It's not really artificial intelligence. But you can ask it a questions about IT. For example, how can I job with open source? So you need to really focus, understand what you want. So for example, you might be into software, web development, data science, and so on. Choose projects, then contributing. So they suggest fixing bugs. I suggest going easy with like documentation stuff. Then building the portfolio. That's good. That's really welcome. Networking with the community, collaboration, contribution to documentation support. So these all are very valid points, right? Now, to be honest, let's just do a small coding example and then we'll call it a day because there are not that many watchers at the moment. And if anybody wants a separate session, then just let me know, okay? So what we will do, we'll go to the website called Exercism, okay? And I'll show you the website. It's really nice. I just love this website. It's this one, okay? And on Exercism, for example, we have Go. Okay, and it has exercises. So, okay, this one I think I've done. Okay, show me more exercises. So, rotational cipher. So, it's a very famous cipher. So, let's go for this one. So, we can even start it, right? So, what you can do, you don't even need to put the description. We can just do it here. You'll be surprised. That's an exercise in, okay. Isn't that amazing? So now we can even copy it and add it to the exercism. I'm not suggesting doing that. I'm just showing how powerful it is, right? Let's see if any tests pass. Look, we've just solved an exercise. Why? Because we told it this is in Go. We gave the stop, and then this exercise, it's so typical. This is just a rotational one. So all it does, it moves, it shifts the bytes, right, in English language. So if it was, let's say, if description was saying here something about Chinese or something else, then yeah, it would be a problem. But this one is so easy, okay, that it's just, well, it's just done. So in earlier times, I would have to like really think about this one, and I would have to analyze this one. We still have to analyze. You need to understand this stuff, especially at work, because as soon as it becomes a bit more complicated, and even with the easy ones, like for example ISBN, I was solving it, you'll see that you require, it will produce a not so code with lower quality, but here we can just take this one. So your key skill as a developer becomes your opportunity to write the correct code and your opportunity to see when there is a problem. So let's see. So here we're just, and what we can do now, we can ask questions, right? So because remember, it's so hard to ask questions sometimes from senior developers or teachers at university. Okay. but this thing is always ready to answer. So now it will explain. So make looks like, let's see. Oh, so yeah, so let me show you this thing. So basically what we are doing now, I've asked it, what does this line do? Make here, right? So actually it even added a comment that it creates a byte slice, okay? So of this length, and it's an array of bytes. So it's an array of bytes of this length, so that will be encoded. And then from I to length, we are going and each symbol we are putting plain, and then not each symbol. Then we use this variable char. So first we take a plain value there, and then if it's between A and Z capital, then we shift it with the shift key. Otherwise, we do it this way. I think it can be improved because we all know this stuff in advance. But oh, that's done. Yeah, I think we can actually improve it because this, yeah, I don't really want to, because this one is very easy to read, to be honest, and the exercise is already solved. So yeah, that's one of the ways. It's also very good for explaining stuff like Gradle scripts. It's extremely good for generating unit tests. Well, not extremely good. Let's try. Can you generate unit tests for this code? Okay. So now we have tests, right? You can use it as a BA, business analyst, to work with documents. It can create a very concentrated, so it can take 2000 words document and make it 500 words document. You can use it for performance test engineering, for different things. The only thing you need to remember is that when you input data here in chat OpenAI.com, it's going outside. So please don't use private information there, because you don't really know what they will do with it. But for like conceptual stuff, you can use it. Anyway, sorry, I need to run. And yeah, today is a bit a crazy day, but we'll meet again. And see you, friends. Bye.